Welcome to the captivating realm of mystery storytelling, a thriving niche that has captivated audiences on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. In this guide, we'll explore the art of creating mysterious content, helping you carve your niche and engage your audience in enigmatic tales that leave them wanting more. Before delving into the mysteries, it's crucial to understand the significance of finding your niche. Choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and the curiosity of your audience adds a unique flavor to your content. Now, let's dive into the steps to craft your mystery story. Embark on your creative journey by collaborating with ChatGPT. Utilize this powerful tool to brainstorm story ideas, develop intriguing characters, and lay the foundation for your mystery narrative. Engage in a dialogue with ChatGPT to bring your story to life, harnessing the creativity of AI to enhance your storytelling. With your story in hand, transition to crafting a compelling voiceover that will immerse your audience in the enigmatic atmosphere you've created. Pay attention to tone, pacing, and the overall mood you want to convey, ensuring that your voiceover complements the mystery unfolding on screen. Visuals play a crucial role in the mystery genre. Generate or select images that align with your story's theme. Whether through illustrations, stock images, or your own photography, let the visuals amplify the mystery you've crafted. Create a visual narrative that enhances the storytelling experience. Open Capcut, import all relevant video clips and images for your mystery storyline. Organize the sequence of events by dragging and dropping clips onto the timeline. Utilize Capcut's trimming and cutting tools to refine clip durations and eliminate unnecessary parts. Create a seamless flow by adding transitions between clips, choosing subtle options for a mysterious atmosphere. Enhance key moments in your mystery video by applying effects strategically. Adjust volume and trim the music to match the video's pacing. Utilize Capcut's automated caption generation feature to automatically add captions that enhance the mystery narrative. Capcut provides different styles of auto captions. Select the one that is most suitable for your video after selecting a style you like. And let Capcut automatically add captivating captions to your video. Import or choose a background music track that complements the mystery theme. When satisfied with your edits, export the video in a suitable format to share with your audience. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of crafting mystery stories for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Unleash your creativity, experiment with different themes, and most importantly, have fun engaging your audience in the mysterious worlds you create. Share your creations, invite viewers into your enigmatic tales, and let the mystery unfold in every frame.
Plains, it's a realm where compasses waver, weather turns turbulent, and strange lights dance above the water. Navigators have faced the puzzle of magnetic anomalies, leaving them disoriented in this vast expanse. Eerie lights above the water surface and tales of rescue missions encountering the unexpected add to the intrigue. Theories abound, from natural explanations to the speculative. Yet the Bermuda Triangle remains a maritime enigma, inviting speculation, caution, and fascination beyond the horizon. It stands as a captivating mystery, challenging our understanding of the oceans and the secrets they hold.